Hello folks, how are you doing today? I am Dr. Jack Williamson, and through this platform, we will discuss the most essential thing in your life, your health. Metrogyl is the medicine that we are going to discuss. We will cover the use of tablet formed medicine, how to use it and its side effects, precautions. So if you are using or about to start, this video is going to be very informative. Without further ado, let's start. What is a Metrogyl tablet? Metronidazole, on which Metrogyl is based, is an approved medicine for bacterial infection and infections by parasites by the US FDA in 2005. The workforce in Metrogyl is metronidazole. It is the core element in the medicine. Metrogyl is manufactured and marketed by JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited, an India-based company established in 1976. What are the use of Metrogyl? Metrogyl is a medicine used to treat bacterial and parasite infections. The infection it treats can be found in the liver, heart, brain, lungs, bones, vagina, intestine, skin, etc. The workforce in Metrogyl is metronidazole. It is the core element in the medicine. It will be used to treat the infection of multiple organs in the body, which is the plus point of this medicine. How to use Metrogyl? It is a simple tablet and has a simple use. You just need to follow the prescription, and yes, don't take it without a prescription. Generally, your prescription might suggest you to gulp the pill with water without breaking it in any way. Take it with food at a fixed time each day for better results. The best thing to remember while using this medicine is to follow the prescription and never miss or overdose the medicine. Side effects of Metrogyl. There will be side effects of Metrogyl if you don't use it with a prescription. This is not the complete list, and there will be more side effects than we are mentioning right now. Know the full list from your health provider or your pharmacist. The side effects are indigestion, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, constipation, vomiting, nausea, headache, fever, fainting, dizziness, diarrhea, itching, confusion, vision blur, etc. Precautions and warnings are attached to the medicine. There are a few precautions and warnings attached to the medicine called Metrogyl, which should be taken care of. They are: never change the prescription, meaning don't stop, start or change the dosage of the medicine without consulting. If you are allergic to metronidazole, inform your health provider right up front. If you have gone through any surgery or planning one, your health provider must know. Tell your health provider which medicine you are on currently. Take the list of drugs and food from your pharmacist which interacts with Metrogyl. Do not drink alcohol with this medicine. Keep the medicine away from sunlight and moisture and store it in a cool and dry place. Store at a place where children and animals don't come in contact with this medicine. I hope you have come to know some important information regarding the Metrogyl tablet through this video. Save the video for future use. Friends, the information shared here is for knowledge and it is not authorized medical advice. And remember, we are not promoting any medicine or treatment here. We are just sharing some information. So you must consult your doctor before using any medicine or starting any treatment. So that is it for now. I will see you in some other video on another topic. Until then, if you have liked this video, appreciate our efforts by subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and comment. Let us know what you feel about the video. You can also suggest what topic we should make a video on. Do not forget to share it with your family and friends and let them know about Metrogyl tablet. Be alert, be healthy.